guys, it's your girl Tech and today we're back with another video. Whoop whoop. If you are new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea. Feel free, you already know. And today we are going to be organizing my 3D filament. I created a whole storage box for it, so we're gonna go through the whole process of watching me create the whole storage box, build it, paint it, do everything to it, and then we'll see how the final result look. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is how I'm currently storing my filament, which I know it's bad, I know. So this is gonna be the beginning of me building out my filament storage journey. Like these in here is fine, but I constantly switch them out and then they end up over here. So yeah, so we have to build this, and of course we're gonna paint it pink, so we have to do that before we build it. But yeah, this is the shelf, the IKEA Billy shelf. I'll put a picture of it and how it looks right on the screen. And these are also the poles that I'm going to use. So I'm going to cut up these poles as well. It's going to be painted pink as well. So I'm probably going to do the poles, spray paint the poles first and see how we go from there. I printed these out so far. These are going to go in the shelf so it can hold the rods. They can hold the rods in the shelf. So it's going to go in the shelf like this. And then the rod going to be like connecting with this other piece. But yeah. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to print out 4 more pieces and then we'll be good to go. Guys, so we are about to start painting. We have 3 shelves out there because that's all I'm using. 3 shelves, the 2 side shelves on the back, and we also have the poles out ready to go. This is the paint we're using. I don't remember the name of it, but it's the same color my office is in. It's a little old, but we'll see if it works. Alright you guys, so this is how we're looking right now. We got the 3 shelves painted, the 2 sides we got painted. I just put this over so you can see the other side, and then we have this door all taped up and ready to get painted as well. Taping this door took the longest because we had to tape both sides, but yeah, it's ready to get painted now. So these are finished printing, so let's take them out. Okay, I have them all out. So, and like I said, this snaps on the pole and then this goes into here like this, and it doesn't fit. Oh my god, I'm back. I had to take off the support stuff that was on there. So this is how it goes. It snaps onto the pole and then this goes into wait, this bitch still don't fit. Oh my god, oh, it's supposed to go this way. My gosh. Oh, let me not do that before I break the glass. But this is how it's supposed to look. But I'm gonna have to see if I can find a smaller one because that was a struggle to get. I printed out these colors to go inside the stuff. So I'm gonna do this for each. Oh, not my filaments. Alright you guys, so we got the first 2 poles in. Now I don't like the color of these poles, so I probably might take them out and spray paint them another color. It's too light. It's supposed to be like pink but looking white. But we got the first 2 poles in. We cut them 14 inches and I got to put in these stuff I printed out, and I'll leave the link down below for these stuff I printed out. But we'll do the other poles and I'll check back in with you guys. Alright you guys, so I finally have the cabinet in my office. It's quick for y'all, but it's been a couple weeks for me. So like I said before, I 3D printed these things to hold the poles. I have to do some paint touch-ups here and on the outside as well. And the only thing I have in here right now is that box I 3D printed to hold dry pots in there as well. So let's get everything organized and put up in there. But this is how it's looking so far. As you can see, it's the same color pink as my wall. So alright guys, so I just finished doing some touch-ups. So we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna put in the poles. Alright, so the paint is all dry now, so we can take off this tape. And then we're about to put the holes in here. And then I need to clean up some of the dust and stuff in here. And then we can get to putting the poles in here. Yes. Alright, so these are the poles we're about to put in. I spray painted them powder pink. I don't really like them, but it looked kind of white. But anyway, let's put these in and see how they look. One in. Alright, we got the top finish. So now it's time to do the bottom. Alright, so it is all the poles are in now. So next I'm going to fill up this storage box that I created and printed out just to hold all the dry pads in to keep the filament nice and dry. So this is the dry pads we're using. So let's fill this baby up. And I call it dry pads, but it's actually silicone gel, but excuse me. Alright, so I think that is enough. So let's put the top on. And this top, I don't know, I made it weird. But that's how it's gonna look. It don't need to be perfect. We're gonna place it right at the bottom, right here. Alright, so we're gonna put the pretty filaments on the top, aka our pink ones. So let's do that. Starting off strong with our Sakura pink, my favorite pink of them all. This is the silicone and this is the matte one. So I kind of took it out the thing, but y'all gonna cuss me. Y'all gonna be like, girl, why you took it out the plastic? Because I wanted to. Duh. Okay. This is the Sakura matte pink one. So cute. And yes, I took it out the plastic. Put that there. Super cute. Let's see what else pink we have. But we have this other pink. I don't really like this pink, so I don't really use it. So we're gonna put that here. And I look like one more could go there. So let's see. Yellow. I don't have another pink one right now. So we're gonna just put these there. My other pink one is in my actual printer. So when we do get that, I'll just leave that as a placeholder right there for that pink. Then put this pink one up here as well. And we're gonna do purples up here. So let me get the purple filament. So this is the purple one. We're going to put this up here. All right, we have another purple one. Just gonna put this up here. This is our next purple one. So we're going to put them up here. So cute, I cannot. And I thought we could fit 4 up here. But looking like we could fit 5 on each row. And I don't have that much filament, y'all. I'm still just starting off new. But it looked like we could fit 5 here. So let me get some other colors and see. So I have this glass cleaner. So we're about to spray it on here and clean this up. I can't really get to it because you guys are in the way. All right. And then I have these roll of stickers with my logo on it. So we're about to cut one out and see where I can paste it. It'd be a struggle having two tripods in the way and making sure everything is still in line. So this is it, cut out. And then I don't know where I would want to paste it. Maybe right here. I think right here looks good to me. All right, let me get some alcohol and then I'll be back. What's the area I want to It looks so cute. I cannot. Should I put one down here as well? What do you guys think? But it's so cute. I have like little ones too, so I was thinking maybe to put them on the sides, but I don't know, that might be too much. But I think it's super cute. I love it. But all that's left to do, I have some of the tape residue on there. Just wipe it up. But all that's left to do is to add the knob. But it's so cute. I cannot. I got this sticker from Jiffy. Jiffy be coming through with the stickers. So I totally forgot that I had these to put on the poles so you can see exactly which color is on there. So let's put these on. Am I gonna hit you guys? No, I'm not. So let's see which color go first. This mint green one can go first, but you guys can't see that. So let me bring you guys up some more. I swear everything is always a struggle for me. So this mint green one. And I 3D printed these out, you guys. So that mint green one is in there. Can you guys go a little higher? Let me see. Nope, I think that's it. Let me just show you guys. That's how we looking. So I don't think I printed out each color for every one, but let me just put the colors I do have. This is how we're looking so far. I think I'm gonna add another dry silica gel box here. Okay, it looks kind of empty here unless I just fill it up with more filament, but this is what we have thus far. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. I got the knob put on. Like I said before, most of my filament is in the printer. 4 of them is in the printer. So I just have 4 more to put in there. But this is the finished product, y'all. Thanks for watching your girl video. Open it up for you guys. And then I'm gonna add one more box up here as well since it's looking a little lonely. But super cute. All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching your girl video. I know that storage box eats down, baby. It is so cute. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. And everything I use is linked in my description box below. So check it out. All right. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay. Bye.